Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel, Rexy TV. Please, if this is your first time, please subscribe to this channel and like this video as soon as you're done watching it, and also comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. All right, okay, thank you for that. So what we'll be designing now is a 3D logo. We'll be designing a 3D logo mockup with Pixellab, just Pixellab, no additional app. So all you're going to do here is once you install your Pixellab, you just open it this way and then you delete this new text. So once you're done deleting it, it looks this way. You can just tap on this plus and then on shapes. You select this triangular shape. Good. So you can just increase the size this way. Good. So we'll be taking another shape. Go to shapes and then you take this square shape, tap on this place and then you go down to color, enable the color. Good. So we will use this to cut the upper side of this triangle this way. So you can just place it like this and then you tap here and merge them together. Okay. You can then go down to erase color, enable it. Once you enable it, all the white color will go, but we don't want to erase the white color, so you can just tap on this pencil icon, move this to red and then mark good. You've seen how it looks now. Okay, so increase the size of this a little again and then you copy this. Let's make it to be at the middle. You can use this relative position to position it at the middle and then copy it. Once you copy this, you change the color. Go down to color. Let's use red. Yeah, let's use red. Reduce the size and then use this relative position also to make it to be at the middle. And reduce the size again. Good. Let's move it upwards a little. Good. So this is how it looks now. Next thing will be getting here. We'll take another shape. This is it. And then you can just reduce the width. Reduce the width. And while reducing the width, you make sure that the size and that of these edges are the same. All right. So let's try as much as possible to make it look this way. I think it's okay this way. So you can just use this relative position again. Make it to be at the middle. Good. So copy this, move it here, and then sorry, rotate it this way. Can rotate it. Then position it like this. Let's increase the width a little. Good. So we are done with this now. You get another shape, go to shape, go to this plus sign, or you can just go straight to shapes. Then you can reduce the size of this and then bring it down. Good. So you go down to color, enable it, change the color to another color. Let's take this color. Good. And then you copy it, and then bring it down here also. Good. So we are done with this now. The next thing we do here, we have to merge them together. So you can just uh first of all we'll merge the ones under before the ones with dark boxes. So you can just tap here and then you select this. Don't select the first two because the first two is the one we added recently. So you can just select every other one except from the first two, and then you tap merge. Good. Go down to erase color. Just like we did before, we position this icon on this red color to erase the red color. Good. Because it has some red strokes, so you can just go to color again to change the color. Let's take white. Good. Move this to the back, to back. Good. So we are done with merging these first two ones, so we can just merge this with this. So you go to this same place, the same thing we did initially, tap here and then select everything here and merge them. Good. Go down to erase color again, enable it, use this pencil icon to select. Good. So you can see how neat and amazing this design is looking now. You can see that now. So let's change the color of this. So you go down to color again, enable it. We are using gradient, so this is the gradient we'll be using. We'll be making use of this gradient. So once you select it, you mark good. You go down to shadow, enable it, and then increase the blur radius. Good. So we'll be taking another thing from here. Let it be at middle. We will go to shapes, select this, you can just bring it down. Use this relative position. Good. Let me increase the size a little. Good. So you copy this, copy, and then you bring it down also, just like we did before for the first one. So use this to move it to be at the middle. You can then change the color, select this, go down to color, change the color to this color. Now for you to combine this color, you have to tap on the you tap on this plus sign. This is the color number. Yes, this is the color number. So all you need to do is to tap on this pencil icon, and then you can just simply paste it here, or you can write it down and you paste it here for you to make your own design. All right, good. So we've changed the color of the down one. You can select the first one here, enable color, and then take the color from here, go down to shadow, enable it, apply the same thing to the first one, enable the shadow. Good. So we'll be adding the text. This is the logo, so we'll be adding the name of the company, the organization. So all you have to do is just go to text, bring it down, and then you edit it. This is Abode Investment Agency. Okay, you go down to fonts. We'll be taking this font. I'll be making use of this font. Okay, change the color. We are taking this color just like we did for the main logo. Good. And then you go down to shadow, enable it. You can just increase the size. Good. Let me increase the size of this. Just trying to make the design look good. Just okay. I think it's better now. We'll talk a little. Good. So we are done with this design. We are going to merge them together. So we go to merge everything here. Okay. This is the logo. So we will tap on this place, this, and then you tap on from gallery. We will import this. This is the material we're making use of, so you can just import it. Mark good. Increase the size of this, and then you position it very well. So this is how we design this logo. This is how this logo was designed. All right, so please subscribe to this channel if you learned a nice knowledge, a good knowledge, a very fresh knowledge. Subscribe to this channel and then share this video also to people that might be making use of it, that might be needing it. All right, okay. But another thing here is if you want to save this, you can just go here and then save as image. You can choose the format from here and then save it. I prefer saving with PNG and high or medium. So I can just save it to my gallery. Once you save it to your gallery, you go to your gallery, you see the design there. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. Please subscribe and then share this video. Thank you.